do I have to be so disrespectful? Because I don't. Oh, wait a minute. I apologize. You're right. I need to apologize right now for being so mean and horrible in my message. In response to your question of why I have to be so mean, you're right. And I apologize. I apologize for the fact that you are a dumbass who don't want to hear the truth. I apologize that you were probably raised up in a household where women ran everything. I apologize that I somehow don't give a shit about your feelings. I apologize that my mods are probably going to ban you because you are a stupid tramp, a jump off, a skeezer, a slut, a hoe, and we don't care about your fucking feelings. Do you accept my apology?